Hello everybody, my name is Bobo and I'm 9 years old. Today we'll be making a scroll detect. Yes, a mouse scroll detect. I'm using Opera now and it's gonna be cool because my blah 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 text needs a place to be in the middle. So when green flag is clicked, forever, let's set scroll to set scroll to 0 and then forever set scroll to something multiplied by 0.9. Can you guess it? It's obvious that it's scroll. That's a long name. And then let's change y. No, that's not change y, that's change x. Okay, change y by scroll. That's so cool. And now, when the up arrow is pressed, and if the up arrow is not pressed, this is gonna be some confusion here because, yeah, you guessed it. Then let's change scroll by 2. I guess I'll just do set. Set scroll to 2. And now let's just, no, not a comment. Let's just duplicate it. Duplicate this. And then switch this to down arrow, then -2. Let's test it out. That's so cool. Now we can do anything with this. I'm scrolling. If you want it to go faster, then do this. -5. Okay? And now it should be, yeah, faster. That's so cool. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe and like. Bye! That was a bad ending.